Welcome to this lesson on subscription models. A subscription model is a business arrangement where customers pay regularly, usually monthly or yearly, to access services or products. Instead of making a one-time purchase, subscribers get continuous access as long as they keep paying. This model has become extremely popular in today's digital economy, powering everything from streaming services to software applications. Let's break down the core definition of a subscription model into two key components. First, recurring payment. This means customers are charged automatically at set intervals, like every month or every year. The charges happen regularly without needing the customer to purchase again each time. Second, service access. Subscribers receive continuous access to a product or service throughout their subscription period. Once they stop paying, their access typically ends. Subscription models come in three main types. Streaming subscriptions give you access to music, video, and gaming content. Think of platforms where you pay monthly to watch movies or listen to unlimited songs. SaaS, or software as a service, provides access to software applications online. Instead of buying software once, you subscribe to use it continuously. Product box subscriptions deliver physical goods to your door regularly. These might be beauty products, snacks, or other items curated for you each month. Businesses benefit significantly from subscription models. Predictable revenue is a major advantage. Instead of uncertain sales, companies know exactly how much money will come in each month from active subscribers. This helps them plan and forecast future growth. Customer retention improves because subscribers stay engaged over time, increasing their lifetime value. Businesses also gain valuable data insights from continuous user engagement, understanding customer behavior and preferences. Finally, subscription models enable scalability. Automated billing and delivery systems allow businesses to grow efficiently without adding proportional costs. However, subscription models face real challenges. Churn risk is significant, meaning customers may cancel if they feel the service isn't worth the recurring cost. Keeping subscribers satisfied is crucial. Payment issues create problems too, including failed transactions, fraud detection, and handling refunds. Compliance is another major concern. Businesses must follow complex regulations around billing practices, data privacy, and consumer protection laws. Finally, competition is intense. Many markets have numerous subscription services, making it difficult for companies to stand out and retain customers. There are three main pricing strategies for subscriptions. Flat rate pricing means everyone pays the same price regardless of how much they use the service. This is simple but might not suit all customers. Tiered pricing offers multiple plans at different price points with varying features. Customers choose the plan that fits their needs and budget. Usage-based pricing charges customers based on their actual consumption. The more they use, the more they pay, which can feel fair but varies monthly. Let's look at real companies using subscription models successfully. Netflix offers video streaming with tiered pricing plans at different price levels. Dropbox provides cloud storage as a software service subscription. Spotify lets you subscribe to unlimited music streaming. Birchbox sends curated beauty and personal care products to subscribers each month. These companies demonstrate how subscription models work across different industries and types of services. In summary, remember three key points about subscription models. First, subscriptions generate predictable recurring income that helps businesses maintain stable growth over time. Second, success requires a customer-centric approach where companies continuously deliver value and maintain high-quality experiences to keep subscribers satisfied. Third, choosing the right pricing model is strategic and directly impacts how competitive your business is and how quickly customers adopt your service. Understanding these fundamentals will help you recognize subscription models across many industries.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.